Okay, so I've got it lashed all the way around, and I'm right at the same spot that I started out at. So I'm going to go back down. Let's see if I can get this down here so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go back down right on that same stake that I started at. Okay. And I'm going to pull that through. And then I'm going to lay this right on top of what I've done, right on top of here, come back right out on top of it, and then cut it off. Sometimes you got to use a weave right to kind of open that up a little bit so that you can pull it through. Hear that squeak, you know that it's tight, and that's what we want. So it's going to end up looking like that. Right, and then I'm just going to cut off that excess. And there is your basket. Okay? It doesn't hurt to go back through and trim up some of these hairy guys. Also, if you want to take like a butane lighter, like you'd start the grill with, and burn these hairs off, that's a good thing too. Now the last thing that we need to do on this is put the runners on the bottom, and we're going to do that. That's why I was so specific in starting this, that you needed to do it a certain way, and the reason for that is because we need to be able to put those runners in like this. So let me get those runners and we'll do that, and then I'll show you my old basket and the harness and how it goes on.